Enter a peaceful sanctuary where lush greens and vibrant blooms offer an enticing tropical hideaway. Paths wind through a countryside covered in thickets of greenery, taking you through vibrant, multi-textured vistas. There is a tranquil spirit in the air, as though nature itself is taking a moment to appreciate the beauty, and sunlight seeps through tall palm trees, creating soft shaded patterns on stone paths. A quiet waterfall pours into a clean pool amidst the vegetation, its gradual rhythm providing a serene, consistent presence to the place. Nearby, colorful lily ponds reflect the deep emerald leaves of banana plants and ferns, forming a mirror of natural hues that ripple peacefully. Each feature of the landscape, from towering bamboo clusters to tiny tropical flowers, works together to create a vision that feels both timeless and vibrant. The resting spaces are naturally integrated into the landscape, with rustic benches and comfy loungers providing a place to relax among the sights and sounds of this verdant paradise. Fire pits and shaded pavilions provide warmth and comfort, allowing periods of calm under the stars when soft winds and bird cries combine to create a natural lullaby.